This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Benvenuto.
Well, the holiday season is here. You're running around shopping and getting things here and there and running around like crazy. And sometimes you're like, oh, I gotta eat. Well, don't worry. We can take the stress out of dinner time when you come to Benvenuto for our dish of the week. That's where we're hanging out now. And you can't get through a Tuesday without our dish of the week, Chef Zeus. And you've got, again, something pretty festive and spicy and zingy for us today. We've got some wings.
Yes, some wangs. Orange wangs. So look, all right, you know, there's so many ways to make wings, right? Everybody's like, I got the best wings. Go over here, they have the best buffalo wings, these guys. Look, we do our own thing here in Benvenuto. I want to show you, right? So we don't do a traditional wing. Now,
there are many ways to enjoy chicken wings. And at Benvenuto, that way has a smoky, tangy twist that starts with the wings dredged in a buttermilk mixture. Chef Zeus also has a special coating for the wings that consists of spice blends, flour, salt, and pepper, and a little bit of cornstarch for that bite of extra crunch. A technique Chef Zeus says you can use to fry pretty much anything.
now that's like a secret weapon when you're making a nice crispy wing. Look, even if you're making fried chicken at home, or fried flounder, or fried anything, if you want to fry a shoe, I don't know, whatever. All
Sure,
right?
why not?
Put some cornstarch in it, all right?
That's how you get that crispy, right?
I put that cornstarch on everything.
Yeah.
All right, now,
After the wings have been soaking in the buttermilk brine, they're ready to be coated.
all right, so once we get these wings in here, all right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a glove on, all right? Unless you wanna put a glove on.
I can.
All right, so I got some smalls over there for you, all right? And what we're gonna do is we are going to toss these wings, all right? And just make sure that they all have a nice, you know, generous amount of this mixture on them, all
Alrighty.
right?
A gloved hand makes it easy to ensure that the wings are fully and thoroughly coated before they're ready for the deep fryer.
And what's gonna happen is that mix is gonna start sticking to the wings, all right? Because they have that buttermilk on them. You know, see already how it's starting to kind of come together?
Sticking up a little bit.
Yes,
Yep.
yes, and that's exactly what we want. All right, so now what we're gonna do is, now that these are nicely coated, we're gonna take these over to the fryer.
Ooh.
All right, we're gonna start frying these up because there's no better wing than a fried wing.
You're right.
Or wang, all right?
Fried
So why don't we take a walk over to the fryer?
All right.
And let's get these guys going.
Let's do it.
The wings cook relatively quickly in the fryer, and it's that cornstarch in the coating that adds that beautiful golden brown color and the perfect crunch to these wings.
All right, so look, Leah, these are the wings. See how beautiful they came out?
Gorgeous.
Now, we have to season, and here's why. There's a rule, all right? You have to season. If you're gonna fry something, you're gonna season it, you literally have 45 seconds,
Oh.
all right? And that's the only way that anything is gonna sort of take on
Stick
that.
to it, yeah.
Yes, yes,
Makes
all
sense.
right?
Another spin that Benvenuto adds to their wings, an orange ginger sauce.
Can you smell that? Here, you guys get
got
that
a
at
little
home
zip
too.
with the ginger.
Yes, yes. All right, and what we're
Citrus of
gonna
the
do,
orange.
exactly, and again, you know, to maintain any type of crispiness, all right, that's why I always recommend using this cornstarch
Yep.
in your mix because it's gonna keep the wing a little bit crispier.
It's a little tangy, a little sweet, and perfect for the winter months. Then it's time for plating, where Chef Zeus stacks the wings, adds some garnish, and then prepares for the smoke show.
Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna smoke these now.
Yay.
All right, so the reason we use this type of sauce is because it's sticky, and any smoke that you add to this is gonna actually stick to that sauce, okay? So what we're gonna do is, we're not just gonna use any wood chips, we're gonna use maple, all right?
Ooh.
He uses cherry wood chips to add an extra unique flavor to the wings, and that sticky sauce actually helps the smoke flavor stick to the wings. And when it's time for the reveal at your table, you get dinner and a show.
What we're gonna do is, we're gonna then insert the tip of this smoking gun right in there. See that? All right, and that's gonna allow us to pump smoke into this.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna turn this on,
Okay.
all right? And just with your torch, you're gonna just get kind of close and you're gonna start hitting this. And then if you watch over on that side, you're gonna see all that smoke
Yes.
just kind of working its way into those wings, okay?
So excited.
These wings are done. Now, Leah, imagine you're taking these over to your guests, all right? Who ordered the wings, right?
Who ordered the wings? Oh, you're in for a real treat.
Look at that. Yes.
Ooh.
Oh, that's amazing.
Stunning and kind of magical. One's perfect for
It
this time of
is.
year, you know? You get a little bit of that holiday magic, you get a
my
little bit of the
goodness.
Chef Zeus magic, and you've got yourself a delicious plate of wings.
That's beautiful.
Now, It has been torture to just see them sitting in front of me this whole time. And I know we've had to wait for the dome and the smoke and the big reveal.
Goodness,
But I
yes.
also know that I can't wait to dive in and take a bite of these gorgeous, gorgeous wings.
All right, so Leah, so tell me, are you a drum girl or a flat girl?
Ooh, see, the thing is, I will eat them both, but I guess I have a slight preference for flats.
Okay, all right.
Slight.
So we'll let you go first.
All right, here we go.
And again, even with all this glaze on here, these should still have a really nice crunch down. I'm gonna go for this guy here.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Let's do it.
Cheers.
Now that is a chicken wing. It's got a little crispy. It's got all those zesty flavors like we talked about, the little zip from the ginger, the citrus from the orange. This is just everything you want in a wing.
And that smoke.
Yep.
Isn't that weird?
It does really like stick to the sauce like you said. So you got the smokiness, the zippiness, the tanginess, and it's all wing perfection. And like we said, it's our dish of the week. So if you do swing by Benvenuto here in Milford and you say, hey, I saw those amazing looking wings, that's this week's dish of the week, right? You will get 10% off the dish of the week. So we'll give you some time to plan out your dinner plans. I know it's getting on that dinner time. Make sure these are a part of them. But we've got more Coast Life coming your way. That's up next.